Hello everyone. So I promised sharing with you the recipe of my fish for my 5-day fat burning meal plan. So this is the fish I'll be using, but you can use any fish of your choice. Fish is the best option when you're looking to lose weight, as they contain healthy fats to help you burn bad fats in your system. They easily metabolize, digest without so much calories, causing belly fat and weight gain. So this is what you want to eat whenever you're looking to lose weight and stay in shape, burn bad fats. This should be your healthy kinds of option. So this is the fish I'll be using. I will not be eating all of this. I'm just making in this large quantity, but I will have just a slice of it a day. So this is my fish, thoroughly sliced and washed in my pot. I'll be sharing with you the different ingredients I'll use to spice up my fish with. So the first thing I'll be using to spice up my fish will be salt for taste. I'll be using garlic. I'll show you the quantities when I'm putting them in the fish. I'll use salt, garlic. I'll use these peppers. So I'll use the different kinds of pepper, the hot pepper, these two hot peppers. I'll use red, green, yellow, and onion to come up with my paste for this. I'll show you subsequently, but let me show you all the ingredients. I'll be using white pepper for taste. When you put white pepper in your food, it tastes really good in the mouth. If you haven't been adding white pepper, you want to try white pepper in your food. I'll be using 2 cubes of Maggi cubes. Like, those are 2 Maggi cubes for taste. If you are from Africa, you know we can't eat without those cubes. The food will never taste good. I'll be adding this chicken flavor, chicken bouillon from Knorr. See how I'm advertising Knorr for free. Then I'll be adding basil, dried basil leaves. So if you have the fresh basil, you can use. If you don't have, you go for this dry one as me. It really makes your food taste good in the mouth. So I will show you how the quantities I'll be putting in my fish subsequently, but I want to slice up these peppers and like have them blended to come up with my sauce for pepper soup. So I don't know the sauce you use for your own pepper soup. Maybe you can leave me your own recipe below so I can try. But I love adding these peppers in my pepper soup because they are loaded with antioxidants. Like, these are the richest, one of the richest sources of antioxidants to fight aging, skin issues caused by free radicals. So if you want antioxidants, always add these peppers in your meals, your different kinds of meals. So that is why I'm adding it in my pepper soup to help me fight free radical and glow my skin, like give me that fresh healthy glow, clear skin. Yeah, so those are the peppers: 1 red pepper, 1 green pepper, 1 yellow pepper, 2 hot peppers. I'll be adding these 2 hot peppers and 1 full onion. So what I want to do now is to slice my onion in sizes that can get into my blender. Onion is very good too, is very good at boosting metabolism. If you add it in your meals, it will help facilitate your metabolism to help you burn bad fat in your system as well. So these are my 2 peppers in my blender. So now I will add in a little bit of water to help me blend up these ingredients. So that is it, a little bit of water in my blender to help me blend the ingredients. And wow, this is it. Blend, 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 blend to get a very smooth consistency. This paste tastes so good. Those peppers, they have that kind of nice taste to the mouth. Like, if you want to eat tasty food, add them in your food. You will love them. So now this is my fish. I want to spice up the fish before so I will start with salt. I am very stingy with salt. Salt is not really good, so I put a pinch of it, like half a teaspoon of salt in here. As you can see, I am so stingy with salt, depending on how you want it to taste. The next thing I'll be adding is my white pepper. White pepper is very good for taste as well. So for this quantity, I'll add in like half a teaspoon of the white pepper. So that is my half a teaspoon of white pepper. I don't want to overpower this with spice, so I'll add in garlic, and I'll add in like half a teaspoon of garlic as well. If you don't know how to estimate like me, put on your teaspoon and pour in. The next thing I'll add will be my chicken flavor, the chicken bouillon flavor. I'll add in 1 tablespoon. This is very good for taste. So this is 1 tablespoon. The others were teaspoons, but this one is 1 tablespoon. The next thing I'll add will be my basil leaves. So if you have the fresh basil, you could grind in the peppers and add, but I don't have it. I couldn't lay my hands on it, so I'll be adding like 1 teaspoon of this dried basil leaf. So everything, if you notice, like one teaspoon, all the spices except the chicken flavor, that was 1 tablespoon. And I'll be adding 2 cubes of Maggi in here. So any Maggi of your choice, and I think you can get these Maggi cubes from any African store. If you are not an African and you're watching my video, you can get it from African stores. This is what makes our African dishes taste so good. Like, you can't go wrong with your Maggi cubes in your meals to taste really good in your mouth. So yeah, these are the ingredients, the dry ingredients. And now to the fresh ingredients you saw me blending: the green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper, and the hot pepper with my onion. So now I want it to stay in here and simmer for like 10-15 minutes so these spices really get into my fish. So I added in a little bit of water because it's pepper soup. You don't want it to be too thick. You want it to be a little bit watery. So this is the consistency you want to get to for your pepper soup. You don't want it too watery or too thick. So it will stay in here for like 10-15 minutes. So the spices really get into my fish, and I put it on the fire now. So I will leave it on this fire to cook for like 20 minutes. So I am closing up my pot. And after 20 minutes, when it cooks, I'll add in like 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. This oil is good not to be fried. Like, I am adding it when my food is ready, so it doesn't fry, it doesn't overcook, and stay in its natural form, because coconut oil equally helps you to burn fats. That is healthy fats to help you burn bad fats. So this is 20 minutes, or whenever your fish gets ready, you can add in your coconut oil. So just 2 tablespoons of coconut oil I'll be adding in here. So this is my measured 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil, remember, healthy fats help you burn bad fats, and coconut oil is healthy fats, but it shouldn't be fried. Just put it like this. So this is it. I want the oil to now really get into my fish a little bit more. Even though fish already has oils, fish has healthy oils in it already to help you. Those healthy oils you need to help you burn bad fats. Healthy fats to help you burn bad fats are found in fish, but I just love adding the taste of coconut oil, and coconut oil too is healthy fats to help me burn bad fats. So this is my servings. I am not eating the whole of this pot, just a slice a day. So that is what I will be eating for today, 4 p.m. This is my dinner, and that is it for the day. So this is it. Very low calorie, tastes so good, will easily digest, with healthy fats to help you burn bad fats. If you're looking to stay in shape, these are the kinds of best dinners you want to go for to stay in shape. Share this video with anyone who is battling with weight and want to lose weight and searching for healthy meal options. I have shared a whole complete video on how my meal plan of the day to help me lose the bad fats in my belly, my arms, and stay in shape. If you haven't watched that video, ask me and I'll link you up the video before this one. So just check my channel, or you ask me, I'll link you up. I hope someone found this video helpful. Don't forget to share with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.